Hey dolls! So today's video is going to be another DIY video. I loved those jars that I made. You dolls loved it on TikTok. Everywhere I post the jars that I have. The jars that I have in my pantry. And I got a lot of requests to make the spice version of it. So like doing my spices. And I've been wanting to organize my spice rack. I don't really have a rack, I have a drawer full of spices. And what a better time, like I saw on Amazon that they had these like spice containers with labels, and I thought, let me do a spice version so I can be organized, because I am loving organization lately. So I'm going to do the spice version of, I'm going to have the picture of my pantry, like the jars I have, organizing all my dry foods in my pantry. I'm going to do the spice version. So this is the spice version. So grab your coffee, grab your tea, dolls, and let's do this DIY video. Let's go.
That is my dream. I is what you make it. Always try to give.
So this is all the stuff that you're going to need for this project. You're going to need spray paint. You're going to need, I ordered this off Amazon, and I have like the empty jars. I have a link in my description box of the exact one I got. I believe it's a pack of 24. I'm not exactly sure. It comes with labels and many other things, and even a pen to like do everything. It also comes with this. So this is the clear labels for the top of your spices, so you know what you're pulling out on the top. So you got the label for this, like the clear labels for the top, and you got the white labels for the actual front of the jar. So I want to show you a quick hack with this. So I found out that these from the grocery shop are the same exact size as the ones that I ordered on Amazon. The only difference is it's a different color lid. Same exact size. So, and they're both glass. So I always order these, and I thought, what a sustainable idea it is to peel this off and peel the back label as well, and just use it as an extra jar. Like, instead of throwing this away, because this is glass, look. Why would you waste that? I used to throw a lot of these away, and this is such a way of saving the planet, being sustainable. And if you can't afford to buy all of these on Amazon, use the glass jars you already have from your seasoning and just add labels on it and do everything I'm about to show you in this DIY. So this is a quick hack that I want to show. Excuse my nails. Just a quick money saving hack within this video. Like, I'm going to be using some of these jars as well. So we're going to take these jars and I'm going to spray paint them. So I'm going to have to take all of these lids off, take them outside and spray paint them pink. I'm going to have the spray paint I'll be using linked down below. I used it on my other jars that are in here. So we're going for the same exact look you see with these. We're making a miniature version for the spices. So all of this I'm recreating as this. So I'm going to use the same exact stuff I used for that. The diamonds and everything, we're going all out. So I'm going to take this outside and spray paint it now, and then when I bring it back in, we'll do the... So here's how they look like after they have dried. You get this cute pink look. So now we have to do the trim. So it's these pieces here that I got off Amazon. I'll link them down below. And also we have the labels. So we have the ones that go on top, and then we have the ones that go on the actual like front of it. And then I'll put the seasoning off camera because it takes a bit of a while and it kind of gets messy. So I'm going to do that right now, which is putting all the labels on top. And no, we're going to do this first actually, then we're going to do the labels. So this is a DIY in this video, so DIY within this DIY, and I wanted to try this out. I found these at Dollar Tree. These they're for like putting cups on, and I thought it would be a really good idea if I do like stack two of them together, spray paint it, and use it like a spice rack. Like, this will be perfect once you see what I'm about to do with it. So I'm going to spray paint it. I'm first going to actually tie them together using this, and I got it from Dollar Tree, and then I'm going to spray paint. I'm going to do all of this off of camera, because if it doesn't work, then there's no point even filming it. So I just want to see how it comes out. But I want this to be like an idea. So even if it doesn't work, it gives you an idea, but I feel it's going to work. I really feel it's going to work. So I'm going to do all of this off camera because I don't want the focus to be on this in this video. And if it works, then you're going to see my jars stacked on this looking gorgeous in this kitchen. So let's give this a try. So I'm just wrapping this around. And as you can see, like I'm making a knot, like as you can see, I'm like really tightening it. And I'm going to spray paint all of this so it's not going to show like. Also, you can store cleaning supplies like sponges, all sorts of things for the kitchen on top of there. Even makeup, I just love this concept of just stacking these two on top of each other. What a amazing hack. I never knew this would work, and I love how it came out. It just, oh, it looks like something I got from Home Goods or something. It just doesn't look like Dollar Tree. So I love it. Definitely try it out. Take the hack, take pictures and show me on Instagram how yours came out. So I love these because they're easy to do. So I've measured it going around. I'm just gonna peel this off. When I don't have nails on, this is the hardest thing to peel off. There we go. And then just going to take that, I'm going to screw it on. And then what I do is I want to get close to the edge as possible and go all the way around. And you're going to do it on all of them. You can skip this part if you want. I just like the glam. So I'm into glam. So, and of course, if you have like a little bit left on there, you just cut it off. And it's that simple. Look at that. How gorgeous is that? I hope the camera will focus on it. There we go. How gorgeous is that? So pretty. So I'm now done with that. I'm going to do, oh, by the way, it comes with these. I love that. So you can take them off if you don't want to, but we're gonna have to take it off anyway to put the seasoning inside, so take that off. So we're not gonna do the seasoning yet. We're actually going to like put the labels on. So I'm gonna be putting jerk chicken label, jerk seasoning, not jerk chicken, on here. So it's really easy, and I like to just get them like a little bit close to the top. And next I'm going to be adding the label that matches it, which is for the lid. So I'm going to take this one for the lid, and I'm going to, again, so easy, peel it off and then put it right on top, so right in the middle, and then put it on there. And then now I'm actually going to take this off and then put the jerk seasoning inside, so we have it ready to go. I have a funnel, so you put the funnel inside. It comes with a funnel, so you put that tight and secure inside. And I'm just gonna fill this up, and it's just so, this is the easiest part after you've done all that work. So you're just gonna fill this up, and you can literally just smell the seasoning coming out. Almost done. Sometimes it makes me sneeze, like I'm about to sneeze right now. Oh, about to sneeze. You got to say bless me in the comments, bless you in the comment section. Comment bless you because I sneezed off camera. There we go. So that's all that. I love this funnel, like I need. So we're going to put this back on now and then screw this on. Oops, I need to change this around. Or get a bigger one, make it slightly bigger because it's obviously not going all the way around. So I'm just going to fix this. And that's what I like about these rhinestone things. You can take it off and put it back on. I just don't like the way that word is not completely facing. That's why it's good to do it. So when I did them, like the other ones I have, I did them with the lid on. So next time just stick it with the lid on, because if not, I mean, I can take it off and put it back on the right way, but next time have it screwed on. So there we go. So I'm going to put it this way so it's facing the right way. Don't know if you're seeing this on camera. I don't know where my camera is facing right now. There we go. Better. See that? It's white, so it's hard to see. Can you see that? Don't know. Can you see it? Can you see it? Jerk seasoning. So I did it off camera because I can't stop sneezing. Well, the seasoning is so... Wear a mask when you do this. The seasoning is so strong. I didn't even know I wasn't filming, but basically... Oh my god, that's a lot of seasoning. Oh no! Couldn't it all fit? You have to be really careful. Okay. Oh my god, I've been sneezing, tearing up because all the dust from the seasoning's coming in my face. There's that. Again, put this little lid on and then screw this on as tight as you can. And then you're going to get one of these. So I have this to go with it, the Cajun seasoning. I'm telling you, my nose is just like not taking this in my eyes. So we're just going to get as close as possible. Make sure nothing is on there. And there we go. So that's done. 2 of them are done. So this is the last one I'm actually going to do on camera because I realised the other ones I have already done, like I have black pepper already. So I'm going to do this last one on camera, which is thyme leaves. And the funny thing is, I already have thyme, but this is ground thyme. So I use both. I don't know why I use both. But, oh, and this is the one that was a store-bought one. So this is a store-bought one. I just peeled off the label that was at the front, so I recycled. So you can recycle. So anyway, yeah, so we're going to take this same way, do the funnel business, and then I'm actually going to have to open this all up. And then hopefully I don't sneeze for this one. I really didn't want to do black pepper on the camera because I'm going to start sneezing. So here is this one. You have to be really careful when you get to the top. I'm going to keep this funnel thing because it makes, okay, I put too much. It makes this so much easier than like losing all your seasoning by doing it the other way, like the regular way you throw things inside. So, and I love the fact this kit comes with the funnel and any little bit you just throw back inside. So easy. See how like quickly I did that. So I'm just going to screw this on and then you just get seasoning bits all everywhere. Actually, no. We're going to put this lid on and then screw this back on and then do the front. So I'm guessing I want the front to be right here or right here. I think here is good. And I'm just going to peel this, thyme leaves. And then, dolls, let me know in the comment section, do you like using different types of like textures and stuff? Like, as I said, I have the thyme leaves and I have the ground thyme, same thing, they're all thyme. So look, do you like doing that or you like to just stick to one texture? Comment down below. Sometimes I think there's a different taste when it's grinded or when it's like powder. That's just my mind. I just want to know what you think. So let me know in the comment section. So anyway, I'm going to put the top part of it on and then we shall be done with this whole DIY. I love it. Look at that. Look at how they came out. Oh, of course I'm going to have a pink one. My whole kitchen's pink. Pink Himalayan salt. I have to go and buy that. But I've already done this one off camera, but I have to go and buy the actual one. I'm trying to figure out which one to buy because I've never tried pink Himalayan salt, but I hear so many good things about it. So of course, like pink Himalayan salt in a pink container, have to, in a pink kitchen. So before we end this video, I'm going to first show you how that project came out. I'm going to show you that right now, the one where I made it with the clear rack, and no, what with clear, not with the clear rack, with the gold rack, the one I DIY'd with Dollar Tree stuff. Then I'm going to show you how the project turned out in the end. You dolls going to love it. So dolls, I wanted to show how the spice rack that I made came out because it is absolutely stunning. I wanted to show you how it looks like with the spices on it in my kitchen. And I'm going to be doing lucite because I want to like break up a bit of the gold, but I just want to show you how to make something affordable because I know a lot of people just don't have the budget for expensive stuff. and how to make things look chic and affordable. And I thought I would include this little hack in this video. And to show you how sturdy it is, look at how much spices and stuff it's taken, and it's still standing really strong. Like, it's not going anywhere. So definitely make it. Only 2 of them, $1.25 from Dollar Tree. I just want to give you dolls a hack to do. So dolls, this is how my project came out in the end. I love it. I love this. It comes, well, it doesn't come on. I bought this on Amazon. It's just so perfect. It makes my kitchen look so put together. I love it. I love how it turned out. And I got this little clear like organizer. It's like 3 levels on Amazon. It comes in a set of 2, so I have another one. I am just, oh my God, so beautiful. Like, my whole kitchen area looks so gorgeous and so like put together. I'm just obsessed, and so cheap and easy to make. And look how we're matching. Look at this. Oh my God, we are matching, even though it's empty, some stuff are not in there. But look at just, oh, so gorgeous. Like, this view is such a gorgeous view. Oh, love it. So look at that. We got them all organized, so girly, so glam, so LB. They came out so perfect. I love them. Like, I can't get over it. And again, they're so easy to make, as you can see. Like, this is like the quickest DIY I've ever done on my channel. So quick, and it just makes my kitchen, as I said, look so complete. Look how complete this looks. Normally I have my spices in a drawer, but I love them displayed. They look so pretty displayed, like, especially because I cook right here. I can easily grab them, and you know, like, it's just so much easier. And on top of everything, I feel so much more organized. Like, that is what I'm going for. This is such an organized look. I just love it. Look at the side. I love it. It's just so perfect. So like, if you want organization, this is such, I feel so much more organized. I know where everything is. I can easily grab it, and you know, I love my kitchen. I can just, oh, it's so pretty. I am obsessed, dolls. What do you dolls think? Let me know in the comment section down below. Dolls, if you enjoyed the video, first of all, we always have a secret word in all the videos. Whenever I do a video, I always have a secret word to see who has been watching the video to the end of the video. So today's secret word is going to be shrimp. So comment a shrimp emoji in the comment section, and that lets me know that you've been watching to the end of the video. So I guess, go ahead, comment shrimp, that emoji that you see right there, in the comment section. And yes, thank you so much for watching, dolls. If you enjoyed this video and you're going to go and make your own ones, let me know in the comment section down below. I have all the links to everything you need. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Smooches. Bye, dolls. Bye.